We have some matcha lovers in this house, and we think that this matcha set is the absolute cutest thing ever, and we can't wait to break it in and make a cup of matcha with you. I love the way this matcha set is packaged. Here is a beautiful set of directions and different recipes for matcha. Here is the whisk, that is a bamboo whisk. It's packaged very neatly in styrofoam, and it's really nice to look at as soon as you open the box. Here is the whisk holder. It's bread shaped. I cannot get over how precious it is. And look at the croissant on the front of this. Oh my gosh. Too stinking sweet. I love it so much. Here is the accessories that come with it. The bamboo tea scoop, the bamboo spoon, the tea whisk, and a stainless steel sieve. And here's the whole set here. That's how you store the whisk. I'll tell you more about the care of that in a moment. Our first set was to put this bamboo whisk in some hot water so it becomes flexible and pliable and it doesn't break. We then used some of the matcha powder that we had. We scooped it out through the sieve. You smush it down, you make it so it goes through the sieve and all the lumps are out of it, and it's very finely made through this whisk. Once it's in the bottom of the pot, then we will pour some of the hot water over it. Now, do not put this whisk through, be really careful. You just rinse it out with some hot water and let it air dry. You have to take really good care of that whisk. It's such a delicate and really cool whisk. All of these products are safe and lead-free ceramic. So you can really know that you're getting a good product when you buy this set. All right, we gave it a quick look over. We have our recipe in mind that we would like to use. And it's time to pour this hot water over our matcha powder and whisk it in. My son is a very good whisker, so he's going to get busy. You have to do a fair amount of whisking here to get it all smoothed out. This set looks super cute in our kitchen, just as a decor, kind of to the side when we're not using it. It would be an excellent Christmas or birthday present. I'm just in love with it. We put a lot of ice here in our glass, and we're filling it up mostly with milk. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla syrup and then top it off with this wonderful matcha. If you are not on the matcha train, hop on and join us. It is a really great and healthy drink for you to have. It's very customizable and flexible. So many different options to sweeten it and different fruits to use. So check it out. You would really like it. If you're a matcha drinker, go ahead and check this set out. It would be a perfect giftable item. I think that the whisk holder and this bowl is just about the cutest thing I've ever seen. So we're going to go ahead and give this matcha a try. How is it, bud?
It's definitely really good.
Tasty, tasty. All right, thanks for watching our review.